The relationship between the problem statement and research gap is crucial because it ensures that the research study is relevant, meaningful, and contributes to knowledge advancement or addressing practical concerns. By clearly defining the problem and presenting the research gap, researchers can demonstrate the significance of their study and its potential impact. The problem statement refers to identifying and articulating a specific issue or challenge that the researcher intends to address through their study. It highlights the gap in knowledge or practice that needs to be resolved. A well-formulated problem statement clearly describes the problem, its significance, and the context in which it exists. It helps researchers establish the purpose and scope of their study. On the other hand, the research gap is the existing void or inadequacy in the current knowledge or research related to the identified problem. It signifies the areas where further investigation is required to fill the existing knowledge gap. This gap can result from unanswered questions, contradictory findings, inconsistent methodologies, or evolving contexts. It is essential for researchers to clearly identify and articulate the research gap, as it demonstrates the need for their study and justifies its relevance. By addressing the research gap, researchers aim to contribute to the overall understanding of the problem and improve the current state of knowledge or practice, generate new knowledge, or offer practical solutions. The relationship between the problem statement and the research gap is intertwined. The problem statement defines the research problem, while the research gap highlights why it is essential to address this problem. However, without a well-established research gap, the problem statement may lack context and specificity. By identifying the research gap, researchers can demonstrate the need for further investigation. The research gap acts as a bridge between the problem statement and the study's purpose, justifying the researcher's focus and motivating their research. The problem statement sets the stage for the study by identifying the issue, and the research gap provides the rationale for conducting the study. Expert professionals and researchers emphasize the importance of establishing a strong relationship between the problem statement and the research gap. A well-constructed problem statement must be based on carefully analyzing existing literature and previous research findings. This analysis helps researchers identify gaps in the existing knowledge or practice and subsequently formulate the research problem. By establishing a solid relationship between the problem statement and the research gap, researchers can align their study with broader research objectives and ensure its significance and impact. In summary, the research gap reflects the existing void in current knowledge or research, while the problem statement defines the specific issue or challenge the study aims to address. The relationship between these two components is essential as it provides context, justification, and motivation for the research study. Expert professionals and researchers stress the importance of this relationship as it ensures the study is rigorous, relevant, and contributes to the advancement of knowledge or practice. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.